Belief in the universe's ability to refresh existence is not mere wishful thinking. It is a basic component of numerous spiritual and philosophical traditions.
Finding alignment with the universe's purpose is a significant part of the restoration process.
When we align with the universe's purpose, we feel a profound sense of inner calm.
This calm comes from understanding that we are in sync with the natural flow of existence.
Inner serenity becomes a constant companion on our path, helping us through life's ups and downs with grace and calm.
Instead of obsessing on what could have been, we focus our energy on creating the life we want.
By moving our emphasis from the past to the present and future, we restore our ability to create our fate.
Have you ever felt as if time slipped through your fingers, leaving you with wasted years and missed opportunities? Many of us can relate to this sensation. What if I told you that somewhere in those lost moments, the universe possesses a secret power? Continue watching to see how the universe recovers what has been lost. The universe has an amazing ability to restore time that we could have thought was lost or wasted. It's as if a silent power is constantly working behind the scenes to restore balance and harmony to our lives. When we believe all hope is lost, the cosmos intervenes to remind us that there is always a possibility for regeneration. One way we can perceive this repair is through subtle clues and signals in our daily lives. These clues can take the form of unexpected opportunities, serendipitous meetings, or moments of clarity. They act as gentle reminders that the cosmos is continually orchestrating events to bring us back to where we need to be. Belief in the universe's ability to refresh existence is not mere wishful thinking. It is a basic component of numerous spiritual and philosophical traditions. It teaches us to trust in the natural course of life and to believe that everything happens for a reason. Even in our worst moments, there remains a glimmer of faith that everything will finally come together. On the path of rehabilitation, we frequently face periods of abundance and unexpected rewards. These events provide physical evidence of the universe's generosity and commitment to restoring what may have appeared lost. Financial prosperity is one aspect of the rehabilitation process. When we least anticipate it, possibilities for financial development and stability emerge, relieving the burden of scarcity and opening the path for a better future. It's as if the cosmos is saying, "I have not forgotten about you. I am here to provide." However, abundance extends beyond financial wealth. It also includes an abundance of unexpected blessings. These blessings take many forms, including moments of joy, acts of generosity, and accidental encounters. They remind us that even in the middle of adversity, there is beauty and goodness to be discovered. When we are inspired to share our riches with others, whether via acts of generosity or kindness, it is a powerful symbol of restoration. It represents a movement from a scarcity attitude to one of abundance, in which there is enough for everyone to prosper. Hope is a beacon of light in the darkest of times, guiding us through difficulties and uncertainty. In the process of restoration, hope is essential, kindling a spark within us and driving our determination. When confronted with misfortune, hope allows us to imagine a better future, one in which our ambitions can become true. It reminds us that no matter how tough our current circumstances appear, there is always the possibility of positive development and transformation. Using real-life experiences and inspirational stories, we see the transformative power of hope. We observe people who have surmounted seemingly insurmountable hurdles, motivated by a firm confidence in a better tomorrow. Their stories serve as a reminder that hope is more than just wishful thinking. It is a tremendous force that drives us forward. Hope encourages people to believe in the possibility of healing. It reassures us that no setback is permanent, and that each setback presents an opportunity for growth and rebirth. With hope as our guide, we navigate life's twists and turns with courage and resilience, believing that the universe has a plan for us. Finding alignment with the universe's purpose is a significant part of the restoration process. Recognizing and accepting the interconnection of all things requires us to match our activities with the wider cosmic order. When we align with the universe's purpose, we feel a profound sense of inner calm. This calm comes from understanding that we are in sync with the natural flow of existence and that our activities are aligned with something bigger than us. Inner peace is not about escaping problems or hurdles, but about finding serenity in the midst of chaos. It's about submitting to the ebb and flow of life and faith that everything will work out as it should. Spiritual and existential transformation are essential components of this alignment process. As we progress deeper into our spiritual journey, we begin to fathom the secrets of existence and find our role in the universe. This voyage of self-discovery provides remarkable insights and a better knowledge of our purpose. The process of restoration involves a profound awakening of our spiritual self, a developing connection to the divine that brings inner peace and fulfillment. It is a physical demonstration of the universe's restorative work, indicating that we are on the right track. Regret can weigh heavy on the soul, casting a shadow over our life and impeding our ability to progress. However, there is hope for overcoming regret and discovering healing and atonement on the path to restoration. Regret has a huge impact on our overall well-being. It can cause feelings of guilt, shame, and self-doubt, preventing us from completely experiencing the current moment and impeding our potential to create a better future. However, regret can be overcome by practicing self-compassion and focusing on the now and future. By admitting our faults and forgiving ourselves for previous offenses, we relieve ourselves of the load of regret and open ourselves up to the prospect of renewal. By moving our emphasis from the past to the present and future, we restore our ability to create our fate. Instead of obsessing on what could have been, we focus our energy on creating the life we want. Strategies for overcoming regret include practicing mindfulness and self-reflection, growing appreciation for the lessons learned, and creating intentions for a better future. By embracing these tactics, we can break free from regret and adopt a restoration mindset. One of the most striking developments we see is an increase in clarity of mind and perspective. As we face life's obstacles and failures, we notice that the veils of confusion and doubt lift, allowing us to see things more clearly. With improved mental clarity, we obtain a better grasp of ourselves and the world around us. We become more receptive to our inner wisdom, intuition, and guidance, allowing us to make judgments that serve our highest good. Furthermore, failures and hurdles that previously appeared insurmountable have become chances for growth and learning. Instead of being overwhelmed by hardship, we approach it with curiosity and openness, knowing that it has the ability to move us ahead on our path to restoration. Clarity of mind also allows us to look beyond the surface of things, getting insight into the inner meaning and purpose of our interactions. We become less reactive and more proactive, meeting life's obstacles with grace and fortitude. Healing develops as an important and transforming part of the repair process. It addresses emotional, physical, and spiritual healing, demonstrating the universe's ability to restore and rejuvenate. Emotional healing is essential for restoring our health and vitality. As we confront past traumas, unresolved emotions, and inner conflicts, we make room for healing to occur. This healing process allows us to let go of any sorrow or suffering that has been holding us back, allowing us to embrace life with fresh enthusiasm and vigor. Emotional healing has an impact on our physical well-being, in addition to our mental health. According to studies, mental discomfort can cause physical symptoms such as persistent pain, exhaustion, and disease. Accepting new beginnings is an important part of the restoration process, since it represents a new beginning, as well as the possibility of growth and happiness. Regardless of previous setbacks or problems, the universe provides opportunities for rebirth and transformation. The importance of welcoming new beginnings stems from the concept that the universe has the ability to repair wasted years and bring about positive change. It encourages us to let go of the past and bravely venture into the unknown, believing that fresh opportunities await us on the horizon. By accepting new beginnings, we open ourselves up to the possibilities that await us. We free ourselves from the restraints of fear and doubt, allowing us to dream and reach new heights. Each fresh beginning provides us the opportunity to remake ourselves, discover new passions, and pursue our greatest ambitions. The cosmos helps us on our road to new beginnings by guiding us onto routes that fit with our highest good. The cosmos encourages us to take the jump and accept change by sending mild nudges and subtle clues through intuition, synchronicity, and serendipity. The route to restoration is one of rediscovery and rebirth, with the promise of fresh purpose and fulfillment. Regardless of previous defeats or struggles, every person has the inherent ability to embark on this transformative journey. Exploring the topic of restoration begins with acknowledging that setbacks and hardships are an unavoidable part of the human journey. However, our attitude to these trials will ultimately define the course of our lives. By selecting the path of restoration, we commit to personal development, healing, and self-discovery. This journey is centered on the recognition that restoration is a constant process of evolution and growth, rather than a destination. It takes courage, resilience, and the resolve to face our fears and limits. Introspection and self-reflection provide insights into our deepest desires, values, and aspirations, guiding us toward our ultimate purpose. Restoration entails fostering an abundance and appreciation mindset, as well as acknowledging the blessings and possibilities around us. By transforming our perspective from scarcity to plenty, we allow ourselves to explore the endless possibilities that lie inside and around us. The journey to repair is not without difficulties, but it is also rich with moments of joy, connection, and transformation. If you are still watching, I'd like to express my gratitude for your attention. If you appreciated what was said and would like to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is much appreciated. Please feel free to share your experiences or views in the comments section below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more fascinating stuff.